Hello everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on adding watermarks to PDFs using BoldSign's free Add Watermark to PDF tool. It's fast, completely free, requires no sign-up, and keeps your data secure within your browser. Open your browser and head to the BoldSign Add Watermark to PDF page. The link is in the video description. Here's how it works. Upload your PDFs, add a watermark using your own text, and download to save your watermark PDF. Start by uploading your PDF file. Next, add your custom watermark text. You can customize its position anywhere on the page. When done, you can directly download to save the PDF files with the watermark added by clicking the download button. Let me take you through other available options that can be used to customize the watermark on the document. To place the watermark in multiple locations, select the multi-select option. The single select option applies the watermark to one position at a time. Use the up and down arrows in the rotation section, or manually enter values to set the watermark's alignment. In the text customization section, choose your preferred font type, color, size, and opacity. You can also bold, italicize, or underline the watermark if needed. For more clarity, use the Fit to Screen, zoom out or zoom in icons provided. You can also navigate from one page to another. If not satisfied with the attained layout and want to reset the files to the original state, click the Reset button. Once you're happy with your watermark, click the Download button to save your watermark PDF instantly. BoldSign's watermark tool is perfect for adding professional text watermarks to contracts, reports, or any PDF. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.